welcome back to your own channel, Radiant Swati. So in this video, I'm going to share certain business casual outfits with you, especially suits. Because when we talk about business suits, we talk about or we think about some boring stuff. So I'm going to make it easy for you and show you that how you can achieve really nice looks. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get latest updates. I plan to shoot a video every week for you. The videos are going to be about makeup, styling, fashion. So without talking much, let's start the video. So the first business outfit that I'm going to share with you is this look. So you will see this blazer and this pant is of course a set. It's a quad set. So I paired it with, you can of course pair it with a black top, and actually it has brown checks, so maybe like a dark brown top. I've paired it with this nude top. It's like a sleeveless top, you can see, which I was wearing earlier, and it looks like a very nice, very chic look. And again, I've paired it with these nude heels. So this is how it looks. Okay guys, then we have the second look, which is this mint green blazer set. Perfect for summers, a really nice different color, which is not like your usual black, grey, blue business suits, which are so boring. So I just paired this mint green pant with a black top, and then I wear the blazer over it, and there you go. Now, because I'm wearing this black top, I pair my look with these black heels here, and that's the entire look. It's perfect for summer events, day meetings. Totally nice. Then we're going to talk about another look, which is my favorite. This is like a new, totally nude palette. So you have like this, nude color top, and then this nude color pant, and it's like a very nice comfortable pant, and I have this matching blazer here, so I'm gonna wear that, and there you go. And so that's the entire look, and I again pair it with like nude heels. So that's the look. Tell me, what do you think about this? The next look is this black outfit, but as I said, I don't really like boring outfits for work. So I just, instead of wearing like a total black outfit, I just got this striped top with this black trouser and pairing it with my favorite black pumps and a nice fitted black blazer. And that's how it looks. Yeah, so if you want to close the button for like a nice, like a A-line kind of a thing to accentuate your physique, or I prefer to keep it open like this. So that's another staple that you can have in your wardrobe. And actually in this outfit, black trouser is something that you will always have in your wardrobe for office, and a black blazer is also a must-have. So you can just kind of mix and match with different kind of tops. I could have wore a beige top with this as well, with beige heels, but I just thought, I've done a lot of beige outfits, so I just thought to do like a striped, white and black striped top, and it's a perfect look. were all the beautiful looks that I tried creating for you guys. These are actually my favorite looks, and I feel that these are certain statement pieces that you need to have in your office wardrobe. And I feel that, of course, fashion is a personal choice, but if you are someone who struggles with deciding, okay, what can I have for business casuals? How can I dress up for nice meetings to create that impression for interviews? I think this video will definitely help you. And as my channel is new and I am doing a lot of efforts with love, because this is my passion to bring such amazing content for all of you guys. So to support my channel, do subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, do like, comment and share this video with people who you feel struggle with office wear clothing. So that's about the video. Do subscribe to Radiant Swati. This is your own channel. Let's get our online family growing. Bye bye.